Welcome to the world of Bee Swarm Simulator. Here you'll learn how to collect honey, build your bee swarm, and explore a magical world. Let's get started. First up, understanding the bees. Each type has its own special abilities. Choose wisely to create the best swarm. Collecting resources is key. Gather pollen efficiently by visiting flowers and using the right bees. Let's boost your honey production. Don't forget to plant flowers. They're crucial for your swarm's survival and productivity. Make sure to plant them strategically. Upgrading your gear can make a huge difference. Get the essential tools and gear upgrades to enhance your gameplay. Completing quests earns you rewards and helps progress in the game. Let's tackle some challenges together. Explore the map to discover key areas filled with resources. Each corner holds new surprises. Watch out for enemies. Learn the best strategies to deal with them and keep your swarm safe. Join the community. Interacting with other players can provide tips and make the game even more fun. Thanks for watching our beginner's guide. Dive deeper into Bee Swarm Simulator and enjoy your adventure. Happy buzzing!